Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat. Today is 27th July 2024. So the cipher, the Morse code for today is ticker, Ticker, ticker. So if you first go to daily cipher here and open the daily cipher. When the interface changes, get the first letter, which is T. And to get this T, you do one dash. To get the I, you do two dots, 1, 2. For the C, you do one dash, one dot, one dash, and another dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. To get the K, you do dash, dot, dash, dash, dot, dash. To get the E is always one dot. Just do one dot. For the R, you do one dot, one dash, and one dot, dot, dash, dot. So you take the price. That's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on bell notification so as to not miss out on other updates. Also share the video. Thanks for watching.